So my name is Brenda Yang. I am the product marketer on oneConnect. What we're basically showing is oneConnect is a product that we recently announced just this week at 3GSM. And what we're looking here is we're basically looking to reinvent mobile communications around what we're calling a socially connected address book. So I'm just going to walk through a demo of the product right now. And if you can take a look right here. Basically, this product is expected to launch in Q2 of this year in 2008. In this particular example, we have it running within Yahoo Go. I'm just going to click on the main icon right here to open oneConnect. I'm going to basically walk you through 5 different views of this product. I think that the most important things to remember about this product is that it's looking to aggregate different types of information into the product. So for one example, it's aggregating social network contact and information about your contacts into the product. In addition, it's aggregating different communications tools, including instant messaging as well as SMS integration on certain devices into the product. I think that the other core feature to remember about this product is that it's really looking to remain an open platform in which different providers, for example, different instant messaging providers as well as different social networks can be integrated into this product. So the first view we're going to look at here is really what we're calling the contacts view. In this particular example, we're looking at your contacts from an alphabetical perspective. What you can see, the different types of information that you might see in the contacts view is you would see a particular individual's avatar. You would also see that particular individual's presence indicator. So this is indicated by the green or the yellow or the gray icon. This basically indicates their availability online. You would also see a pulse icon to indicate if there's any recent activity this particular individual has, and an email notification if you have received a recent email from this person. I'm going to scroll over to a second view of the product. In this particular view, we're looking at what we call the conversations view. What the conversations view is, it basically highlights recent history of the different conversations that you've had with some of your different contacts. In this particular example, I think the most important things to remember from this view is one, that again, it's aggregating different forms of mobile communications tools. So it's aggregating email, it's aggregating instant messaging, it's aggregating SMS, and of course you have access to voice traditionally on your mobile device. What it also does is it's aggregating across an open platform. So this product, we're looking to design it so that you don't necessarily, this is not a Yahoo only product. This is open to various instant messaging providers. It's open to, for example, Yahoo Messenger, MSN, all of the various IM providers. That's what we're looking to do. So if I were to open one of these conversations, in this particular example, what we're looking at is a recent conversation between 2 individuals. You can see a threaded history right here, and this includes an archiving capability as well. I'm going to back out of this and look at a third view of the product. What we're looking at here is the status update view. So from this perspective, what this does is it's providing a chronological view of your contacts for those who have most recently updated their status updates. And in this example, it's aggregating across the various different social networks. So you can see Patrick Berry, who's at the top there, has most recently updated his status update on MySpace. Jeremy Hudson, the second one below, has most recently updated his status update on Twitter, and so on and so forth. If we were to do a deeper dive on one of these particular individuals, we go into Patrick Berry, and what we're looking at is what we're calling Patrick's status log. So what this is giving us is basically Patrick's most recent status updates across all of his social networks. So we're looking at examples on MySpace, Facebook, Twitter, so on and so forth. I'm going to show you a fourth view of the product, which is called the Pulse view. I think that the Pulse view is really the center of the socially connected address book from our perspective. What this is really giving us is the most recent activity of your contacts across their social networks. In addition to what you've seen in the status update view, Pulse View really gives you additional information. So if you have a contact who has uploaded a new photo, posted a new comment, this is a much more fuller version or comprehensive version of their activity across their social networks. In this particular instance, at the top, you're looking at Sunny, who has added a new job on LinkedIn. You're also looking at Patrick Berry, who has uploaded new photos to Flickr. In this particular instance, because this product, in this case, is integrated into Yahoo Go, we could click on one of Patrick Berry's images or photos that he's recently uploaded to Flickr, and it will actually send you to the Flickr widget within Yahoo Go so you can see more detailed information about it. If I back out of this, I'm going to look at one more view of the product, which we're calling favorites. I think this is really important because a lot of times you have a lot of contacts within both your from your mobile phone book perspective, your Yahoo address book perspective, across your different social networks. So how do you access those people who matter most to you? In this particular instance, for favorites, you can basically manually decide who you want to keep in touch with at your fingertips. So I can decide that, for example, Patrick is very important to me, Geraldine is very important to me, and I can select those individuals and decide what types of information that I see within this particular view. Obviously, we've talked a lot about, communicating via instant messaging, email, SMS integration. I think we shouldn't forget that ultimately you can also make voice calls from this product. I can select their phone number and decide whether or not I want to make a phone call to them. Thank you so much.